That's from your anti-praise, right?
Yes.
Okay. I started.
Lily,
Lily.
some tricks. Magic.
I want a swing set for Christmas.
Oh, yeah. You want a magician?
Okay. Okay.
Hey, Lily.
You do have to show us those magics.
So by next Christmas, on our Christmas party, you're gonna have to do a magic. On somebody's birthday. No name. No name. No name.
It's from
Socks.
Santa.
Yes. Kobe socks.
It says NAP nap. Wow.
Yes.
Nap sock. Nap socks.
Okay.
Yay.
Thank you.
See, I think this
This is from Auntie Carol. Uncle
Oh, wait.
Granny.
Oh wait, what is this?
Oh, there's some.
And Danica.
I don't know. That's from somewhere else.
Why is this yours?
Go get it.
Why is this yours? Why did it
Oh, go
transform
to sleep
blanket?
now.
Yeah.
Go to sleep.
Only 5 years old.
No, this is all this stuff right here.
Thank you.
Next is the pillow.
So
Next is the like.
Alright, next gift.
Oh, what's that?
It says me, it says Merry Xmas.
No. Let me see. It's not.
Is there a name?
It says
No.
mom, it says me.
There
Oh.
should be a name.
Oh no, that's not your knee.
Oh wow.
What's the name?
Whose name?
Go ahead.
Give it.
It's her senior. This is dad.
Okay, this is
Oh, Marvin.
and, this is from Kylie.
From Kylie?
Yes.
From
Looks like clothes. I know it.
Boring.
It's a game.
Clothes. Wow. Boring.
Oh, lots of clothes.
Marvin, let me knock your shirt. I'm putting it in.
Yeah, magkanta
Lots of
boring.
makeup.
Boring ka rin ba ito kanya? The games ka rin kaya da.
Kalasan. Boring.
What's that? That's letter R.
Oh.
Rodrigo. Oh, okay.
How's the other one?
What's that rock over?
Now it's a Zuma.
You're gonna be summa cum laude.
Alright, the Puma.
Clothes are awesome.
Should I just cut this out and like glue it to my feet? Cancel the shoes.
Sure, whatever.
Do whatever you want.
It's yours now.
This
Whatever you want to do.
What?
What's that?
It's
There's a
Mom
note.
and Dad and Jeff. What did I say?
Okay, open.
Just open it. They wrote you a note?
But somebody, I'm sorry.
Open here in front.
Wow. Breakdown.
Oh my.
This is the message. Or is it like a full thing?
Lydia, look at
What's that?
Oh, cool.
Show it. You like it or no?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a golden arm. You know James Bond?
Is that with the move?
Oh. What
I was replaying it. I'm like, it's like the arcade.
Okay, so Liz is gonna have fun with that.
I know. No, I think that was a good
Alright. Moving on.
Moving
This is from Jeff.
Jeffrey.
Moving on.
Again.
Hey, Jeffrey, you've been shopping.
Ay, tugtog.
Basketball.
Oh, that's why you charge me a lot.
It's a basketball.
Dude, you can connect it to your PS3.
Does that kind of look like Ryan?
Marlon, you have Darren.
Oh, you have that already. Give it to Lillian.
Oh, that's me. Yeah, I'll play with it.
I have blue and
Well, this is the last one for me. It's from Nicholas. Big one. Oh.
Cooking set.
This one more than one.
Big Elmo.
Maybe it's Elmo.
It's Elmo.
Big Elmo.
Yeah.
It's a Nerf one. I knew it.
It's a Nerf. It's a gigantic Nerf gun.
Like,
With 3D glasses.
Wow, what's that? Dart?
I don't know.
3D glasses.
It's a dart.
Ah.
The auto.
Dark.
Oh, you know what? We're still from Uncle Larry. Do you have a... Oh, no, you said it. No, Mario had a gift for from Uncle Larry.
Number 4.
Okay,
Jeffrey's turn.
Could you pick up the trash, please? It's over here.